check. Ah. It's just 3 minutes, okay? Boxing headset! It's still a pro gamer. Oh! Comes with a bubble wrap. Oh, it's blue! Wow! It has finally! And it has extending. Can we charge it? There's no charging port. Wow! Oh shit. Oh my god, I cannot put it back. Good day, I'm gonna put it back later.